I'm afraid of your hair, so I'm not even shooting in 4K, Dylan.
See every follicle on there?
This is called the lion's mane. So, how long you been boxing for? What's up, YouTube? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna do this low skin fade. We're gonna thin out the top. We're gonna start off by balding the bottom of the hair with the T-outliners. If you guys miss me, I've been a little bit busy. My son started cyber school. As you know, COVID-19 has got us all social distancing. So I've had to prioritize my time doing some second grade homework. I hope you guys understand. Compounded with the forest fires going through California, burning down everything. And this is just the most eventful year I've ever seen in my life. Now back to the haircut. We're gonna finish the bottom with the shaver so it's nice and smooth. Right here we're gonna clipper over comb. I give myself some room to work with, and we're gonna create a good guideline where we don't want to go with the clippers. So let's open up our masters all the way open, about 1 inch. I'm gonna follow that up with the 1.5, the 1 guard all the way open on the masters. We're gonna create our second guideline. We're gonna start blending with the blade all the way open on the masters. We're just gonna open and close the lever, taking out that initial line up to the 1.5 guard. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section if you think my man looks like Canelo Alvarez or not. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like the video, like the content. Right here we're just using the 1 guard and we're taking out that 1.5 line. We're fading down from there. So far so good, coming together real nice, keeping it nice and crispy. Watch my thumb, watch the lever as I'm moving through the hair. Pull the skin back, pull the hair back from the top if you guys get into any trouble areas. We're gonna use some clipper over comb. We're gonna take out some bulk. My boy Dylan right here probably has the thickest hair on the planet Earth. So there'll be a lot of thinning shears, as you can see right here. I started using thinning shears a lot later on in my barbering career. It makes your life easier. It adds texture to the hair, and it makes blending easier because it takes away volume without having to use any guards. So if you haven't gotten into thinning shears, go ahead and start it now. We got the 2 guard here, and we're just gonna connect the 1.5 to the thinning shears to the comb over, and we're just gonna blend it all together. The back of the hair, we're gonna start off using the blade all the way open. We're gonna create a guideline. We're gonna follow the same steps. The 1 guard all the way open, making a 1.5. We're gonna create our second guideline. We're not pushing into the hair because we need a little bit of volume back here. So we're riding with the hair outward, not going straight in and up. That would create like an indentation in his hair. We want it to go with the hair. So we're doing some clipper over comb back here. Just basically taking out some bulk so we don't gotta use a whole bunch of plastic guards. Shortcuts make your life easier with clipper over comb. Come back with the 2. Now we're gonna start taking out that bottom line, opening and closing the lever as needed. And the key is, do not go above the 1.5 area. At the bottom of that, the 1 area, and you'll be fine. Take your time. You're not in a rush. When you're first starting out, you're not worried about speed. You're worried about understanding everyone's hair is different and applying each and every technique that you learn to help you master the best haircut you can possible for every different hair type. And everyone's hair is different. Everyone's head is different. And the more information you get, the more you'll be able to obtain it to different canvases throughout your career. I'm pretty much doing this whole low fade with a 1 guard, a 2 guard, thinning shears, and that's about it, and a trimmer for the bottom line. And so I saved using an extra 3 or 4 guards, maybe 2 more guards at the least, just by using these techniques and applying them on this haircut. And this is thick hair, guys. You're not gonna come across too much people with thicker hair than this. Alright, the same thing applies on this side. We're going to start off with the blade open, create our first guideline. Especially nowadays with sanitation being such a main concern, the least amount of guards you use and the more you minimize. I could have used a 4, 3, 2, 1, a 5. The more you minimize, the less you have to clean, the less you have to worry about contamination. So I hope you guys get some information in this video. Go ahead and like it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'm gonna keep on dropping this heat, man. I haven't sped up the camera any on this haircut. This is real-time speed. I just clipped out some mundane parts, but you pretty much get the idea. So every guard I'm using, every step I'm using, real-time speed, and I think this is a beneficial way of doing it. Back to the clipper over comb. We're keeping the flow of his hair. I like to go up with the clipper over comb. When I'm using the upward motion, I'm trying to no longer take out bulk from the hair, but I'm trying to blend the fade together. So if you're using an upward motion, it's like using a guard almost. Now we're gonna use the clipper over comb with the 2 and the 1, and we're just gonna blend it all together in the middle. We're using the thinning shears right here. Well, his hair is so thick, I literally have fun and I just hack into it because his hair, there's no need for anyone to have this thick of hair. My man will never be bald, but it depends on the hair texture you're using. If someone's hair is not that thick, you can't really go ham like that. But Dylan, he got thick hair. what I'm doing here is I'm looking at the mirror from his perspective to see if there's any hair sticking out the side. So looking forward into the mirror, I'm seeing what he can see, and that's a good indicator of if he's gonna say, hey, I see some hair sticking out, or it's too poofy. And guys, just to follow it up at the end here, I'm just thinning away, having fun. His hair is thick. He gets his hair thinned out every time. Sometimes he cuts the top, but not. Alright guys, it's another one in the books. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you made it this far, please subscribe to the channel. And this dialogue at the end is pretty funny.
With the flowing locks. Damn, Dylan. Smile, don't look like a show him your gangster's Canelo face. Mad dog that
Oh yeah. God damn it.